cheveux chinois pour spectacle de le bois. You are the king of the ball, quelle me dit ton garçon. I am the king of the people. Ça fait bon.
Good morning from Versailles. We're in our last full day. We've got almost a full day tomorrow, but when we fly, so our last full day we come out to Versailles to go to the chateau or the palace. Just got the train and we're here and we're walking down to it. Pretty place so far. Very overcast, it's not doing it a lot of justice, but some outstanding buildings.
The perfectly well.
Yeah.
I can speak French.
You speak French. You know what? The French have been really helpful.
They have.
As long as you try, like we've both, well, especially Elizabeth, been trying to do a little bit petit French, etc., and letting them know and then try, and they've been really, really helpful.
They said, "Oh, you want to speak English?" It's like, yes.
Yes.
My French is that bad, you know.
Yeah.
But it's courtesy, and so I think we go overseas. At least say hello, goodbye, and thank you.
Yeah. And I say they have tried hoops, might not get rung over. That'll be a short end to the trip to Versailles.
Is that it?
That's it in front.
Oh, in the town centre?
Yeah, well, it backs out onto the Palace Gardens apparently, so.
Well, I just suppose like Buckingham Palace, that's in town centre,
Yeah.
isn't it?
Yes.
Of Londres.
I'm sure our almost underwhelming feelings will turn into joy later.
It's just because I bought some train tickets this morning, and the trains that we wanted to go on, apparently they're not running today. Yay! So we have to go
proper route planned.
turny route, yeah.
Yeah, and then it just fell apart. So
Yeah, and then the tickets it went through one at Barrier, so you have to get one at Goss, let us through.
we've had to come through the financial centre at rush hour.
Yeah.
So it's been interesting.
It has, yes, it has. I think Green Man's on.
Green Man's on, we're going to go.
Wow.
Yes, take a little bit further up.
Not been a long walk from the station, has it?
Yeah, apparently we needed a bus, so
Yeah, but it sort of
we didn't.
Sort of took us with our broken legs. I say broken, not in cast or anything. We've just been a bit overworked this holiday on the steps.
Yep. It's beautiful, isn't it? Alright. The train.
Took us what?
The train's 10 minutes, yeah.
Oh, that's leisurely strolling into it, looking at things.
Yeah. Gorgeous gold detailing. Nice clocks, aren't they? I mean, intricate ones. Yeah. Look at all these people, all these portraits. There's always one that's a little bit different. Yes. For a 7-year-old, how did you get into that bed? You need a step ladder. Yeah. Come up to a mirror, better breathe in. Wow. Got Gangnam Style over there. Well, the Hall of Mirrors is absolutely amazing. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Napoleon Bonaparte. But you can't see because the light's bleached it out. I'll have to go around there in a second. Versailles Gardens are huge and beautiful. I walk down a fraction. That's like a part of the house. Every so often there's fountains like that one that we've just shown you there. If I spin it around here to zoom out. Here, and they're all gilded. The one up there's got fruit on it, grapes, and we'll got a picture of it to insert. And that, so as you can see, all seashells, mollusks, starfish. Yeah.
More gardens down there.
Yeah, we've got go down there. Yeah, straight on. I think we're going to go right, otherwise.
It's worth it, isn't it? I forgot how much it's about €20. It's actually worth it if you.
Oh yeah.
The gardens. I mean, the house is beautiful. But look at the fish and just walk up and down.
Got that avenue where that bunch are coming down. That avenue where that person's coming. Just all radiate away. It's enormous from the top, as you'll have seen already. A beautiful place.
could spend a full day here. I think it's summer, it'd be nice, just lovely.
Yeah. Big pond over there, you can see the edge of, around this corner. To that side where the road is. Yeah. And Marie Antoinette and King Louis the Sun King, Louis the 14th and Louis the 15th. They all walk round here. Because you can feel the history and it's
Beautiful.
The awe of it, yeah. See the gold roof. See the gold roof up there. Is it me or those things on that first level look a bit like the demigorgons in Stranger Things?
Yes.
French song maybe démodé, mais si douce fredonner. French song tender à l'envie, nostalgique à l'infini. Quand on sait plus where to belong, try for a little French song. French song will take you to Paris, to Pigalle ou l'île Saint-Louis. French song are dancing sous la pluie, de Bastille aux Tuileries. Because we have de quoi frimer, we have Brassens, Brel, Ferré, we have Boris, Vian, Barbara, Gainsbourg, Trenet, Prévert, Cosma. Because we have de quoi choisir, we have Aznavour et Jenny, Beko, Nougaro, Moustaki, Edith Piaf, Clo-Clo and Johnny. Oh oui, 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 bien sûr, ce n'est pas Duke Ellington, ce n'est pas Elvis ni Jackson, ce n'est pas Fitzgerald ou Armstrong, c'est just a little French song. Et quand le chagrin reste tout long, moi je chante une little French song. Because we have de quoi frimer, we have Brassens, Brel, Ferré, we have Boris, Vian, Barbara, Gainsbourg, Trenet and Jean Ferrat. Because we have de quoi choisir, we have Aznavour et Jenny, Beko, Nougaro, Moustaki, Edith Piaf, Clo-Clo and Johnny. Oh oui, 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 et qu'on soit de Londres ou de Hong Kong, qu'on soit trois feuilles ou choubon, qu'on soit Djellaba ou Sarong, try for a little French song. Et quand les méchants sonnent